Hi students, I am Prakash, Academic Advisor, Masterminds. Masterminds keeps on innovating new things and introduces various new services to the students every year. Similarly, my dear students, we have come up with a unique service called Rapid Revision Batches. As a part of these rapid revision batches, we try to revise the entire subject in just 20 or 25 hours. So in this manner, we have developed rapid revision batches for almost all the subjects of all the stages of CA course. As far as CA foundation is concerned, rapid revision batches are available for the subjects of accounts, law, BCR, mathematics, statistics, reasoning, economics and BCK. That means for all the subjects of CA foundation, rapid revision batches are available. And rapid revision batch of each subject, we will cover the entire subject in just 20 or 25 hours. Now coming to CA Inter, rapid revision batches are available for the subjects of Group 1 Accounting Standards, Company Law, Other Laws, Costing, Income Tax, GST, Group 2 Accounting Standards, Auditing, EAS separately, Strategic Management separately, Economics for Finance and Financial Management. That means at CA Inter level, rapid revision batches are available for almost all the subjects. Very soon, we are going to develop rapid revision batches for accounting and advanced accounting also, excluding the accounting standards, because for accounting standards we have already provided rapid revision batches. Now coming to CA final, right now rapid revision batches are readily available for the subjects of SFM and FR. Very soon we are ready to provide rapid revision batches for almost all the papers of CA final. Of course, at CA final level, each subject will be covered in around 30 to 40 hours. It is not like CA foundation and CA inter levels. At CA final level, each subject will be covered in just 30 to 40 hours. And the fee that we charge for these rapid revision batches is extremely affordable. And these rapid revision batches will help you to quickly revise the entire subject, especially in the last 1 week of preparation for your public exams. So on any day, if you want to quickly revise the entire subject in just 20 hours, and in such a case, your first and best option is to purchase rapid revision batches from Masterminds. Now the question is how to purchase these rapid revision batches. I will show you. First of all, go to Android Play Store. So install an app called Masterminds Online Classes. You please install this app. The app name is Masterminds Online Classes. It is our own app, recently got developed. So install the app Masterminds Online Classes. Once it is installed, you need to enter your details. So after installing the app, you enter your details like your name and mobile number. It is getting installed, my dear students. Now let us open the app. Once it is opened, you need to enter your mobile number. An OTP will come. So enter the OTP. Now you logged into the app. So after opening the app, go to Store. Here there is a tab called Store. Click that. Filter by topics. Click it. View all. Click the option View all. you can see various filters. Now let us see CA Foundation. So click the option CA Foundation. Now you will be able to see all the videos applicable to CA Foundation. In these videos you will find rapid revision batches also. So click that. There will be at least one sample video you can watch without making any payment. You need not make any payment and you can watch one sample video, my dear students. After watching that sample video, if you like, then you can immediately pay the amount. So there is an option called buy now. Select the state. After that, you need to make payment using any of the options that you like. After making the payment, you can click content where the videos will be available and you can start watching the videos. That means without any human intervention, you can directly purchase any of the RRB batches videos available in Mastermind's online classes app. Similarly, click CA Inter. All the videos related to CA Inter will be visible to you. Choose whatever the videos that you want. Similarly, click the option CA Final. CA Final. All the videos related to CA Final will be visible to you. Choose whatever the RRB batch or service you want and you can start watching those videos immediately. So, alternatively, you can directly type the subject name for which you are searching RRB. For example, let us assume I want RRB for economics for finance. Economics for finance. Now type it. So you will be able to see RRB of economics for finance. You can directly pay the amount and start watching the same. So in this manner, rapid revision batches will help you to quickly revise the subject and it will help you really a lot, especially in the last 1 week of your preparation for public exams. My dear students, all these videos have been recorded by highly experienced and expert faculty and all these videos are recorded in our state-of-the-art shooting room so as to provide you HD level quality of videos. You will definitely enjoy this service, my dear students. Hope that you enjoyed this service and you will get benefit from this service. All the best, my dear students.